Hey folks, how you doing today? Welcome to Bob's Bottom Shelf. What we do here is show you how to make quality cocktails at home using affordable ingredients from what I like to call the top of the bottom shelf. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy tequila cocktail, the Spicy Margarita. It's a twist on the regular margarita, which is just tequila, orange liqueur, agave syrup, and lime. And the Spicy Margarita has the addition of a Jalapeño pepper or a Serrano pepper in this case. Our first ingredient, it's just a simple store-bought triple sec. This is the Classica brand. You could grab this for about $8 at your grocery store. Next, we have El Jimador Tequila. This is a pretty good brand of tequila. It's made with 100% agave, no chemical nonsense. It has a good flavor and you can grab it at your liquor store or your grocery store for about 22 bucks. Instead of simple syrup, margaritas use agave syrup to sweeten the drink with. You could just grab this at your grocery store. I don't really know of an easy way to make this homemade. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is just go ahead and cut our pepper up here. Gonna need about 2 slices. And you're going to need to seed the slices, which is take the seeds out. Otherwise, it's going to be a very spicy drink. Alright, so we got our jalapeno slices here. It's a little bit time consuming to get the seeds out. If you wanted your drink to be a little bit more spicy than usual, you could leave a couple seeds in. And be careful not to touch your face after you've been cutting jalapenos or serranos, or it's like getting pepper spray. So with our jalapenos or serrano sliced, we are going to add just 2 slices into our shaker there, and maybe just 1 or 2 seeds just to make it a little bit spicy. And we are going to muddle the jalapeno with ½ an ounce of agave syrup. The purpose of muddling is just to break down the peppers a little bit and make it easier for the flavors to combine. You don't want to go too crazy with the muddling. Next, we can just go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients. We'll need 1½ ounces of tequila. Next, we're going to do a ½ an ounce of orange liqueur triple sec. And next, we're going to go ahead and add 1 ounce of lime juice. And before we shake our drink up, we're just going to go ahead and do a salt rim on our glass. Alright, and to prevent ice shards, I'm going to go ahead and do a double strain. Alright folks, Spicy Margarita. Cheers! So this is actually pretty good. It initially tastes just like a regular margarita, and then the spiciness kicks in afterwards, and the spiciness pairs good with the salt rim here. Overall, I'd say this is a good drink. Good modification to the classic margarita. Alright folks, that's gonna just about do it for today's episode of Bob's Bottom Shelf. Let me know in the comments what your favorite type of margarita is. And subscribe for more episodes of Bob's Bottom Shelf, where you save money making cocktails at home using top of the bottom shelf ingredients. See you next time.